Why it can't be say this life when we dey? If people won't do bad, they know they think two twice. They know they think say Baba God they look. Nobody they care again. Say at least if you want to do something now, you go say, nobody they see me. But Baba God when they up, they see me. Nobody they care again. The evil every day, the wickedness they upgrade, they get degree every day and every day. Hello, my people. This matter, my heart they heavy me, my mouth they heavy me. If not the first time you they work when you can't jam this corner, be part of this movement. Because here we they talk matter, how it they happen, as it they play. Now so we they bring them here. Like the video, share and subscribe and on your notification bell. As I go give you this story when they very, 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 very sad. Okay, this beautiful lady one na the see so. This matter happened for Ondo State. And a touching one. When I see the post, I cry and I cry. Now, young lady of 52 years old, when they just come out in life, just when she not plan, she not expect. Now, the thing be say, this woman, they buy am for her own house. Not be say she dey waka for outside for her own house. Then, according to the matter, they say now, people when they don't know, unknown people. Now be the language now, unknown people. Before this woman buy so, her daughter don't by 3 years ago, when the woman self never recover from it. The same unknown people now buy this poor woman daughter of 20 years old. This girl, they say, now vibrant model when you start life. Inside the same house, they buy the girl. Nothing happened. They put the matter for ground. Till today, Ekelebe no fit do anything for that case. Now the mother of 52 years. The same way, when they take by the daughter, they take by the mama. Okay, according to the information, the mama dey house with one other relation, when be young child to young pikin. Now she gonna give the story after this thing happen. She say she wake up in the morning, as family they wake up, when they go for prayers. She go to mama room, mama not dey room. She go meet mama for another angle of room. When they take mama her own wrapper, take, una understand, take down some all her body round. The unknown person so enter this mama wardrobe, bring wrapper. After I don't do the work, when one do finish, she can't tie the mama, put her for one corner. Now this small girl can raise alarm, can cry, shout with shock when never see such thing before. Now so people when they compound, neighbor can gather. See how they take by this poor woman. The thing where they use for, where they take cook food, put for belly. Now they put for a belly 3 times. Human being, you get mind, you take up here, put for somebody belly 3 times. You know, pity ram. Why the world they evil like this? Now the thing be say, this matter don't happen. The same way they want put mama for ground, now the same way they take put the daughter for ground. Why it be say a kelebe for downtown, they don't know what thing they do. Now me they talk and say, if for better say make for downtown, make a kelebe not there at all, make we know say we dey waka free, no control, nothing. Because a kelebe for house, they don't get nothing when they do. We dey pray make problem not meet us. Because a kelebe no go feel resolve am. This kind matter, if it happen for Obodo Ibo, now the thing when they call, I don't want to mention the name. How they check person when they don't buy. One time, you know, go take Oyibo 24 hours, they go see who do this thing. But such things like this, if it happen for house, they go silent town. Ekelebe no go fit do nothing. What be the guarantee now? Say not be somebody when they between this family do this 52 years old, not be even old young woman this thing. The same person fit be saying I do the daughter. After 3 years, you come back to the mama because Nobody fit do am anything. E dey waka free. Wetin you go say this family do you? You kpai pikin. 3 years back, you come back, you kpai mama. Wetin dey happen? The wickedness is too much. The level too high now. All this ekelebe, wetin una dey work for? So the company say nothing when Nigeria take good. Nothing when they take good. Police una not good. Hospital not good. School not good. Government not good. Nothing when good. Country jabrata. Una won't drive everybody for that land. Make it remain only Buhari and I don't know. With the not people. This kind matter now they go see sweep am for ground. Nobody go talk put. Especially if you not get money. If you even get money, now they go want to hear from you small. This thing, if I say you not pay me na lie, because first, that young girl 20 years old, when they not let her reach the day when Baba God say go reach. They not let her become what she's supposed to become for this earth because of the wickedness of human beings. Now, they take Mama John. This one too much. My people, e good things like this make they bring and come out. Make una not say why na they post videos when it not good. Because things like this, when you listen, you go take get sense. You go take know where you dey. Imagine your own comfort zone. You not gonna know how person take penetrate, enter, go buy you. This thing, it dey very, very painful. And it dey pain me. I don't want to talk this matter more than this. If you watch this video to this moment, you feel leave anything for comment for the person went by so. And I continue to pray for her, pray for the daughter. Make them never rest too. Because the person when do this thing, they for fish them out. Baba God for bring these people come out so that they will rest in peace. I go end this video here and I will see you again for my next one. Una bye.